Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Seviin and today I'm going to be doing another unboxing. Another package did come and of course it's a natural hair care tool, I would say. So without further ado, the unboxing for today is CurlDaze. I love Robin. Robin is gorgeous, she's smart, she's ambitious, and she also developed her own hair care company line, or hair care line. And I decided that I wanted to order something off of her site to show my support. And like I said in my other video, this is prior to Black Friday, so I did not catch this on any type of sale or anything like that. This was out the kindness of my heart, in supporting Black owned businesses or business woman who wants to make hair care lines, skin care lines, and everything in between for Black women such as myself. So of course, let me bust it open. So first impressions, packaging is gorgeous, just gorgeous. I love it. Sealed beautifully. It came extremely fast. It came a day or two earlier, I believe, than I anticipated it. So I was very happy with that. And then a lot of companies, you know, don't invest in logos and things on their packaging, but I think it's really cute that she has just a sticker here just to showcase that this is her product, this is her brand, and I think it's so cute. I'm so excited to have received this package. This is something I know I'm going to be using in my regimen like every day, so because of that I had to open it today and make use of it like tonight. So I am going to just open this. Top layer. It is sealed perfectly. Shipping was not bad at all. It came early, I believe. And this also, as well as most of the things I buy, it was not too expensive. It was actually the most inexpensive thing on there, but to me the most beneficial. So I'm more than happy to be opening this package today. Okay, so this is just my order information. Whoa. Oh, there's a card in here. So it says thank you, don't forget to tag us, and then it has all of her information here. So hashtag CurlDaze, at CurlDaze Hair Care for Instagram and Facebook, and then CurlDaze on YouTube. Thank you, Robin, thank you. So that comes in the package. I'll just put this here. Alrighty, and now I am going to... So, I ordered a satin cap. How cute. It has a logo right here on it. So first impression, I like how it's in an extra bag. Corona free. But yes, I like how that it's sanitary, it's in an extra bag because I am going to put this on my head. And the first thing I see is the logo, and the logo is pretty dope, so I'm very happy to see the branding on the bonnet, because honestly sometimes it's not. Most of my bonnets and my caps, and even my most expensive ones, don't have any labeling, so you know, I'm glad that this one I can rock it around and anybody asks me. CurlDaze, okay? So freshly out of the package. Ooh, it's soft and it's big, and it has a drawstring, y'all. Wow. This cap was made for me because I don't keep headscarves on, like, at all. Okay, so this is the headscarf, the bonnet. Here, let me get the name right of what I ordered. So I ordered the no slip extra large satin bonnet with drawstring. So I ordered the no slip satin bonnet with a drawstring. And then on the inside, this is what the inside looks like. This is cute. Shoot, I wear them both. Like, If anybody has this bonnet, let me know in the comment section below if I can like interchange it, because it looks like I can, but I'm gonna stick with the side with the logo on it just because it looks like the drawstring is comfortable there. But this is the inside, very soft, very silky. This is what I'm talking about. It's very thick, so well, not too thick, but like it has some weight to it where I know that my hair is gonna stay there. It's not too light where it's gonna fly, like just fly off, you know, like it's just gonna stay where it is. Yeah, so the drawstring, you get smaller or bigger, and you know, like as my hair is gonna grow, I think I can grow with this cap as well. So hopefully, you know, I don't have to buy a new one or anything like that. This bonnet to me is like an upgrade, okay? Like I can't keep my hands out of it. Like this reminds me of some of the pajamas I have, like for real. I love this. This is amazing. I don't want to untie this drawstring because I feel like it's like the perfect size. But yes, I am so happy with my bonnet. Thank you so much, Robin, for creating your hair care line and creating things like this bonnet. Also, I know you have some gels and some moisturizers as well that I'll be checking out in the near future. But I did want to start with something a little more efficient for me. And the logo is just so cute, you guys. Like, look at this. That's the inside. Again, and this is the drawstring. So I definitely can make a lot of use of this cap, and I'm very, 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 very excited to use it. And to be honest, when it comes to protecting your hair every night, getting the pillows and the bonnet and making sure that you moisturize and seal your hair is critical to retaining length and keeping split ends away, knots away, tangles away, accidentally locking your hair up, and also to preventing excessive dehydration, especially to the scalp. So I know that this is going to not only change the game, but it's going to boss me up a couple levels in my hair care journey, along with that Felicia Leatherwood brush. So I am extremely happy to have my Felicia Leatherwood brush and my CurlDaze No Slip Satin Bonnet with a drawstring. All right, well, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe underneath. Yeah, underneath. But if you don't want to do all of that, I understand. I am always on my Instagram or Twitter page. So follow me at my handle, Dope Indigo, on Instagram or Twitter, and I'll be more than happy to talk to you on those platforms as well. I am very responsive, and I just love connecting with all of y'all. So definitely don't ever hesitate to call on me for any questions you have or anything like that. I'm always readily available to answer them. But say if I don't, like I said, you got 3 different ways to contact me: Instagram, Twitter, or right down in the comment section below. So yeah, you're gonna get me either one of those 3 ways because I'm always on one of those 3 apps. Yeah, so thank you so much again for watching, and have a great night, y'all.
Oh, this is cute, and I ain't do nothing with the drawstring, yo. I got me right here. This is cute. It reminds me of being in like a hair salon, high key. This look cute, yo. Let me stop rolling.